driving and I'm here in Oakland City. I've been drinking at this bar for an hour now, feeling all filled up, that's the only thing I'm feeling. But I remember where I am, I see the problem now. It's whiskey or nothing up in Oklahoma, but beer up here it just won't do. Line 'em up, bartender, it don't have to be your finest. OK whiskey treats me better than that old 3-2. South from Kansas City, thought I'd make it down to Texas, but I didn't make good time, so I slammed a cold one back, then another. Oh my God, oh I forgot I gotta get a little shine. It's whiskey or nothing up in Oklahoma, beer up here it just won't do. Line 'em up, bartender, it don't have to be your finest. OK whiskey treats me better than that old 3-2. Drinking in a hurry, making up for lost time. Lost my mind a little early, lost my cool too easily. Now I'm sitting in a jailhouse, I guess I learned my lesson. No more messing around with whiskey and that OK.